I've been waiting all day for this moment. All day. Did I say On a scale of 2 to 13, I rate this a solid 20. The essence of meat creates the perfect sauce and balance for the croquettes. Down to the very last crunch. Wait. There's still stuff to be had here. Not officially bilingual, but there are a few French words I've come to appreciate. Clochette, for one. First of all, that's my name. Promenade, that one too. I get to go for walks. But Paté is pas mal.